Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. What's up, guys? How you guys doing? You see the thumbnail, you see the title, you know what it is. Ed Sheeran, Tion, Central C, Bad Habit remix. It's the remix. Fumez the engineer, big myself and G. Fumez the engineer is a part of this project. So you know that anything Fumez touch is fire. Literally flames. Anyway, let's jump in it and see what go on. We are reacting. So let's go, guys.
You know, a lot of people ask us, how is 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 funded? Where do you get your money from? The simple answer?
Every time you come around, you know I can't say no.
Classic.
Every time the sun goes down, I let you take control. I can feel the paradise before my world ends.
Yo, now the background. It after. Hold on, the man. Wait, the man. Fumez. Take out them last one here. Fumez, you're not trouble, you know. Fumez, you're not trouble.
And tonight had something wonderful.
Yo, feds having nightmares when I got my ice. Girl up on my left side, girl up on my right. 6-figure transfer when I come a ride. That's why the ops them just wanna take my life. Before the music, I had to put a shift in. Made Lambo, money from a kitchen. I was tapped then, rolling in my kitchen. That's why they want me just lock up in the system.
Let's carry on.
Bad habits in my life, in my veins. Bad habits in the nine with the babe. Bad habits gon' end up with a case. Man, I'm bad vibe, just I go away. Cause I was broke, getting peas went easy. I'm a Sheeran, now it's cheeky. First can't believe I'm on TV. They're having flashbacks of CCTV. Tough luck, he got brought up.
The feds can't believe them on TV. The feds can't believe them famous now. They might have flashbacks. I watch CCTV. I him that? No, that can't be him. No. This boy was never a star. Yes, he was. Yes, he always been a star. Always been a star, Mr. Officer.
In my drop top, get top. In my young buck, if you catch her up. No double eating, with a butt. But fuck what you're telling them. I'm from Emerton, bad vibes, everything. Rolex or I might bust one skeleton.
I don't wanna go on a mad one. Them say something I can't come back from. Front way, sideways, cowgirl, back shots. Mr. Miyagi, wax off, wax on. I don't even.
Yo, this is Miyagi. What's up? Central, mental. Alright.
No, she wanna back strap one. Messed up with my good girl and a sad one. Now I'm in a hotel room with a bad one strapped up. I don't wanna give my babies by me. Lately I've been keeping my head down. Ain't been wildin', taking time out. Cars laid out, got nothing to hide out. Maybe I slipped up once on a night out. If she find out about that, she wild out. The sex feel better when you make up. After you break up, all body language, don't wanna say much.
Sex feels better when you make up after you break up. Bad. Facts.
Could go back to the AP and lay up or fuck in the back of the Bentley Bottega. Come home late, she wait, she staying up. Body intact, no personal trainer. Breakfast in bed, don't cook me no bacon. I just want head when I wake up.
Breakfast in bed, don't cook me no bacon. I just want head when I wake up. As I wake up, girl, start smoke. Start smoke. You get it?
I got gal up in Chelsea, you know. But why everyone there when you blow? The first tryna get help with the roads. Me no know.
I got gal everywhere in the globe, but everyone disappears when you're broke. If bro calls me and says that time, I don't care. I'm putting my career on hold.
Bad night if we back out the pumpy. Bad side when we keep up the fuckery. If I bang him in.
This is a history collab. These are three musical geniuses, dog. Three talented individual forward together for oh my gosh. No, 4 Fumez. Oh my god.
Bad night if we back out the pumpy. Bad side when we keep up the fuckery. If I bang him in the face, can't stop me. Bad time, but today I'm lucky. Yo, in the rave with the gauge. Bad habits can't end up in the cage. Banging anyone straight in the face.
She left me back then when I had no bread. Like sure you didn't trust the process. Free all the guys locked down 4 walls. When I think about that I get claustrophobic. Pure cocaine, no baking soda. A lot of ammonia, I don't condone it. But you gotta do what you gotta do. doing, you're stuck in the hood, just hoping.
I was licking them, sticking them, left as an artist. Didn't just fill up and empty the cartridge. Do it like Sheeran them, shoot up the artist. Go on, pull up and bark it.
I fly up the end where I feel nostalgic. Yeah, come white like Yama ain't pounded. Looking for cribs just fully detached. I came from council housing.
Not in the talk, I really walk the walk, man. It's a masterclass, man. You can ask the chance. Rich and really on, you don't know the past, but when it's really on, would you got to clout it off?
It's funny if you see him having fun with them, and I remember the lyrics them. Look at this just right on the spot. Look at this literally just done in the studio. The man just link up in the studio and say, yo, listen. What you say? Films there. Essential C there. And the boss head there. Yo, forward. Tion there. Forward. Put something together. Come on. So the man just say, alright then, alright, give me 20 minutes. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. Shut up 2 verse quickly. Boom. Mad. History.
My face card good on the roads where I'm from, you can ask, I'm calm as long as my dog is. Always aim at the target market, look at the profit margin.
I got gal up in Chelsea, you know, but why everyone dead when you blow? The first tryna get help with the roads. Me no know.
I got gal everywhere in the globe, but everyone disappears when you're broke. If bro calls me and says that time I don't care, I'm putting my career on hold.
Fumez, the engineer.
Big up Films.
If bro calls me and says that time I don't care, I'm putting my career on.
But why everyone dead when you blow?
Yo, me like this. Me love this. This bad. This is like a history. History in the making, like history right front of your face, dog. Like history, you know what I mean? Yo, this bad. Big up the artist them. Central C. Ed. Big up yourself. Tion, big up yourself. Fume, big up your damn self, my G. Yo, this bad. Guys, this is where I'm gonna end the one. If you like the one, please leave a like on the video. Please subscribe around here if you're new, and don't forget to hit the like button. Said it already, right? Yeah, just do that. Just make sure you say that one there, please.